Hello guys, today our topic is Marshallea. This is a Marshallea part 3. In previous video Marshallea part 1 we talk about morphology of Marshallea, systematic position, stem anatomy and habit. And in Marshallea part 2 we talk about anatomy of leaf and anatomy of root. In this video we talk about petiole anatomy and reproductive structure of sporocarp and internal structure of sporocarp. Now we start the video and start the part 3. Now guys, this is the diagram of petiole anatomy. This is the diagram of petiole anatomy. We start with epidermis. Epidermis is single layered parenchymatous cell. There is no cuticle. After that epidermis, we show hypodermis, means cortex. Cortex differentiate in two regions. First outer cortex and second inner cortex. Outer cortex have many airspace and airspace divided by septa. This called septa. Divided by septa, and that's why because of more airspaces, this outer cortex known as the parenchyma and also known as the outer cortex. Just beneath the outer cortex we show parenchymatous region. This parenchymatous region known as the inner cortex. Okay guys, okay, this is the epidermis, parenchyma and inner cortex. After the inner cortex we show single layer of parenchymatous cell, endodermis. This is a single parenchymatous cell of endodermis, and just beneath to endodermis we show single layer parenchymatous cell is a pericycle. Endodermis and pericycle both is a single layer of parenchymatous cell. Okay. After that we show stele. This stele type is a protostele type, and this stele is some different thing about xylem and phloem. You show in the diagram the red color is the xylem and green color is phloem. Xylem have a in V-shaped term. Xylem have a in V-shaped term, have a two arcs in protostele. Two arcs in protostele shaped in V. In center we show metaxylem. In center we show metaxylem, and the terminal side we show protoxylem. This is the terminal side and so protoxylem. Both arcs separate to each other. You show this two arcs, they are not joint to center or terminal. This is separate from each other. Okay, and center this is a big trachea. This called the metaxylem and protoxylem. In this stele, the xylem made up by tracheids. And xylem surrounded by phloem. This whole green cell is phloem. Means xylem surrounded by phloem, and that type of stele called protostele. Main thing of this petiole is the V-arch shaped xylem. Main thing of petiole anatomy, main arch V-shaped xylem. Okay, this is a simple petiole anatomy and more attention of xylem. And sometime in college and university exam also ask the question in which plant petiole have a V-type V-shaped xylem. So you give the answer Marshallea petiole. After that we talk about reproductive structure of Marshallea. This is a Marshallea reproductive structure. This is known as a sporocarp. Marshallea is heterosporous. Marshallea sporangia have a microspore and megaspore. Both spores are content of sporangia. Okay, this is a structure of simple structure of sporocarp. This is a outer structure. This is a outer structure. The outer structure have body, raphe, stalk, tubercles. Okay, now we talk about deep in. Okay, so this is a sporocarp body. Sporocarp shaped oval and bean shaped. Sporocarp body had oval and bean shaped. Sporocarp attached to petiole with a small stalk. Because I'm saying the previous video, the sporocarp is attached at the base of petiole with a small stalk. This is stalk that attached to petiole. After that, the plant body, these bodies have oval and bean shaped. They connect to stalk and make a ridge. Connect to stalk and make a ridge. This is a ridge. Okay, this is a ridge. It's called raphe. It's called raphe. And okay, this is a raphe, and beyond the raphe, we show some teeth-like projection. This is tubercles. Some teeth-like projection, tubercles. This teeth-like projection, one or two in number, and also this is similar. Not the one tubercle is small, not one tubercle is big. Not that time. We show tubercle in similar shape and similar size. Okay, this is the external features of sporocarp. Now we talk about vascular system of sporocarp. Okay, vascular system of sporocarp. This is a vascular. This is a drawing of the diagram of vascular system of sporocarp. Okay, first of the vascular system ક્યાંથી મળે છે means vascular system enters to petiole vascular system. इसको this is a vascular system. They get from the petiole vascular bundle. The vascular bundle enters into stalk and below the ribs and go to dorsal part of body. Dorsal part of body, and this bundle known as a dorsal bundle. This is a bundle, vascular bundle. Vascular bundle enters into dorsal side. This is known as a dorsal bundle. And dorsal bundle gives some ribs-like structure. Gives ribs-like structure both sides. Means that what do you mean? This is a dorsal bundle. They gives both sides. This side and this side gives ribs-like structure and go to downward. This rib-like structure. This rib-like structure known as a lateral bundle. Okay, this is a rib-like structure known as a lateral bundle. Above the lateral bundle, we show some here branches, small branches. These small branches contain sporangia. These small branches contain sporangia. That's why we known as a placenta bundle. Because why तो प्लासेंटा होता है जिसमें से स्पोरेंजिया बनता है और स्पोरेंजिया का हमें स्पोर मिलते हैं. ओके, दिस कंटेन्स स्पोर. ओके, दिस is that's why we known as a placenta bundle. Lateral bundles made sori. In sporocarp we show microsporangia, megasporangia in sori and microspore and megaspore in microsporangia and megasporangia. Okay, this is a vascular system of sporocarp. आपको पता चल गया ना कि वो कहाँ से कैसे वो अपनी vascular system लेता है. That's why we show vascular system of sporocarp. Get to with the petiole. After that we talk about sporocarp body wall. Sporocarp का body wall. This is sporocarp body wall. This is a single layer of epidermis. This is a single layer of epidermis because the sporocarp body wall is a differentiation into two regions. This is epidermis. There is no cuticle. And of course, this is a epidermis is single layer of parenchymatous cell. And this structure this is known as a stomata. Okay, epidermis have many second stomata. Okay, after that epidermis we show palisade layer. 1 to 2 layer of palisade layer. This is the first layer, palisade layer, and this is the second palisade layer. Okay, and just beneath to palisade layer we show parenchymatous region, and this parenchymatous region is third layer. Okay, I've also saw that the sporocarp body is differentiated into two regions. First region is epidermis, second region is hypodermis, also known as a palisade layer. Okay, and after that we show parenchymatous region. Okay guys, this is our topic. We complete here to want to show this Marshalla part 1 and Marshalla part 2 video. We give link in description box. Okay, this is a reproductive structure of Marshalla. Okay, this is a reproductive, and after that this video in part 4 we talk about HLS, VTS and VLS. Means HLS of sporocarp, VTS of sporocarp and VLS of sporocarp. Thank you very much to show my video, and of course guys, you subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel videos, and of course don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you guys. We meet in part 4.